In a time long before humans walked the earth, colossal creatures ruled the land. These giants, some stretching over 100 feet in length and weighing as much as multiple safari trucks, moved with a grace that belied their massive size. Imagine lush jungles where the shadows of these prehistoric titans danced against the vibrant foliage. This was their domain. Among the most fascinating discoveries are the fossils that tell us tales of survival and dominance. Each bone unearthed reveals clues about life millions of years ago, offering glimpses into their diets, behaviors, and even their social interactions. These remnants of the past act like puzzle pieces, inviting scientists and enthusiasts alike to piece together the narrative of an era where the very ground shook beneath their feet. As we examine these ancient behemoths, we can't help but be awe-inspired. Some, like the Brachiosaurus, reached towering heights, while predators like the Tyrannosaurus rex instilled fear into the ancient ecosystem. Their sheer size and physical prowess challenge our understanding of biology and evolution. The world of these giant dinosaurs captivates the imagination, reminding us of a time when Earth was theirs to command. Today we stand in the shadows of their legacy, striving to comprehend the vastness of their existence. The adventurous journey into paleontology sparks our curiosity, urging us to explore deeper into the ground, revealing the mysteries left behind by these majestic creatures. Join us as we embark on an exciting exploration into the lives of the largest dinosaurs to ever walk the earth. In the extensive theater of prehistoric Earth, giants roamed the land, their magnificent forms towering above the dense vegetation. Dinosaurs, marvels of evolution, emerged as the dominant creatures, but it was the colossal species that captured the imagination. These giants, such as the majestic sauropods, strolled through Jurassic and Cretaceous landscapes, their elongated necks reaching high into the trees to feast on leaves, turning lush forests into their personal banquet halls. The sheer size of these behemoths was a sight to behold. They adorned the emerald expanses of floodplains and savored the rich bounty of vegetation. Consider the massive Argentinosaurus or the gargantuan Brachiosaurus, both of which exemplified the incredible adaptations that allowed them to thrive. With their long necks, they could consume vast amounts of foliage, while their sturdy legs supported their immense weight. In this world of giants, survival demanded a unique strategy, consuming enough food to sustain their colossal bodies, which often required migrating to new feeding grounds. While these giants ruled the land, their dominion was not limited to terrestrial habitats. Some of the largest dinosaurs, like the formidable Spinosaurus, adapted to life in aquatic settings. With powerful limbs, these predators glided through what were once vast inland seas, showcasing the versatility of dinosaurs. They were not merely land dwellers, but were part of a dynamic ecosystem that teemed with life in all forms. The interconnected web of creatures, be it the towering giants or the nimble small theropods, created a vibrant world where every organism played a role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. The Age of Giants was a period marked by incredible diversity, where dinosaurs left an indelible mark on the Earth's history. They shaped their environment, influencing plant life and creating habitats that would support a myriad of species. As the climate shifted and eventual extinction loomed, their legacy continued. Fossils, remnants of their grandeur, offer glimpses into the lives of these extraordinary animals, reminding us of their fleeting time on a planet that could scarcely contain their magnificence. These titans may have walked the earth long ago, but the awe they inspire endures, fueling our fascination with a time when giants truly ruled. In the vast landscape of prehistoric creatures, one titan stands out above the rest: Argentinosaurus. This enormous herbivore, believed to be one of the largest ever to roam the earth, captures the imagination of paleontologists and enthusiasts alike. Picture a creature that could stretch a staggering 100 feet in length, and tipped the scales at over 100 tons, dwarfing even the largest elephants of today. In the lush, verdant plains of what is now Argentina, Argentinosaurus grazed on the rich foliage, its long neck reaching high into the treetops. Discovered in the 1990s, the first fossils of Argentinosaurus revealed an intriguing glimpse into this enigmatic world. These bones, colossal in size, were likened to telephone poles, strong and sturdy, supporting the massive bulk of this gentle giant. Belonging to the group known as Titanosaurs, Argentinosaurus was not just a solitary marvel, it was part of a lineage of gigantic dinosaurs that roamed the Earth during the late Cretaceous period. These immense creatures adapted perfectly to their environment, thriving in the warm climate and abundant flora. Argentinosaurus was herbivorous, and its diet consisted mainly of the extensive vegetation found in its habitat. With its lengthy neck and powerful limbs, it could reach high branches, snacking on leaves and plants that many other herbivores could only dream of accessing. This unique feeding ability allowed Argentinosaurus to dominate its ecological niche, evading competition and thriving where others could not, exemplifying the wonders of evolutionary adaptation. Beyond its impressive size, Argentinosaurus offers fascinating insights into the ecosystems of the time. Its presence indicates a rich biodiversity, as such a large creature required vast amounts of food to sustain itself. The interactions between Argentinosaurus and other species, including predators such as carnivorous dinosaurs, showcase the delicate balance of prehistoric life. It paints a vivid picture of a world filled with intricate relationships and competition for survival. But how did such a creature live, breathe, and move? Scientists believe its massive size offered protection against predators, while its long neck helped it graze from the treetops without moving its bulk. In the prehistoric realm of Patagonia, two colossal titans of the Mesozoic era, Dreadnoughtus and Patagotitan majorum, emerged as formidable contenders for the title of the largest dinosaur. These behemoths, with their towering forms and immense weights, redefined our understanding of size in the dinosaur world. Dreadnoughtus, unearthed in 2014, measured over 85 feet in length and tipped the scales at approximately 65 tons. Its name, derived from its implication of being fearless, reflected not only its size but its dominant presence in the lush prehistoric landscapes of South America. As we delve deeper into the striking magnitude of Patagotitan, we uncover an even more astonishing figure, with some estimates suggesting a femur that weighed over half a ton. Imagine the sheer strength required for such a limb, a testament to the sheer size and physicality of this creature. Both Dreadnoughtus and Patagotitan thrived in the verdant land dotted with towering ferns and giant conifers, indicating that they shared ecosystems and likely encountered one another. This leads us to ponder, amidst their coexistence, which creature truly held the title of the largest. The debate over the size supremacy of Dreadnoughtus versus Patagotitan remains a tantalizing puzzle, fueled by the limitations of fossil remains. Fossils of these giants are often fragmented and incomplete, making it challenging to establish definitive sizes. Yet, thanks to advancements in technology, researchers are now utilizing sophisticated 3D scanning and AI modeling. These innovations allow for a more accurate reconstruction of the skeletal architecture of these magnificent creatures, providing clearer insights into their proportions and sizes. As paleontologists continue their investigations, the dialogue surrounding these titans paints a vivid image of a world where size dictated dominance. While fossil evidence remains scarce, every new discovery tantalizes researchers and dinosaur enthusiasts alike, inching them closer to unraveling the mysteries of these prehistoric giants. The quest to ascertain which, between Dreadnoughtus and Patagotitan, claims the crown as the largest, isn't simply an academic pursuit. It is a journey into the past to understand how these magnificent creatures ruled their domains. Ultimately, the ongoing research into these titanic dinosaurs exemplifies the wonders and challenges of paleontology. As we piece together their lives in a world that seemed to be designed for beasts of their size, we are reminded of both the vastness of ancient ecosystems and our never-ending thirst for knowledge about the past. The story of Dreadnoughtus and Patagotitan is not just about size. It's about the struggle to understand the depths of a time long gone, yet still captures the imagination. In the realm of prehistoric giants, Sauroposeidon stands out not just for its monumental size, but primarily for its extraordinary neck, which could exceed 39 feet in length. Picture this colossal creature, reminiscent of a skyscraper, gracefully navigating through the lush, verdant canopies of ancient North America, its elongated neck swaying like branches in the wind. This length provided Sauroposeidon with a unique vantage point from which to explore its environment, enabling it to feed on treetops that were tantalizingly out of reach for many of its contemporaries. The evolutionary advantage conferred by such a long neck is undeniable. While other herbivores were restricted to lower foliage, Sauroposeidon's towering form granted it access to a bounty of greenery high above the ground. Its neck functioned not merely as a feeding apparatus, but as a tool for survival in a world bustling with competition for resources. The leaves and treetops that were plentiful in its habitat became its primary diet, granting it a buffet of options perceived by others as mere distant dreams. This unique feeding strategy meant that Sauroposeidon could flourish in a niche with less competition, securing its role as a dominant herbivore of its time. As we envision this magnificent creature roaming the earth, it's essential to consider the implications of its size and anatomy on its way of life. With such an enormous neck, Sauroposeidon likely employed a dynamic feeding strategy, moving from tree to tree, dipping and raising its neck with ease, drawing sustenance without expending as much energy as smaller counterparts might have to. Furthermore, this grand structure might have allowed it to spot potential predators from afar, making it a formidable presence in its prehistoric environment. The long neck would have been advantageous not only for feeding, but also for navigation, helping it traverse the dense forests while maintaining awareness of surroundings. In addition to its feeding and foraging prowess, Sauroposeidon's gargantuan neck may also have played a role in social interactions, much like modern-day giraffes or elephants. This impressive feature likely attracted mates, signifying strength and health within its kind. While this dinosaur's long neck is its hallmark, it symbolizes much more, a saga of survival and adaptation in a world where giants roamed, showcasing nature's ability to innovate and conquer through remarkable evolutionary traits. Sauroposeidon remains a fascinating study of proportions and functions, forever etched in history as a true titan of the age. Across the vast expanse of oceans, the land of Asia was home to some of the most colossal creatures ever to roam the earth. Among these giants was the legendary Mamenchisaurus, a behemoth known for its extraordinary neck that stretched over half its body length. Imagine this majestic dinosaur gracefully lumbering through the lush, prehistoric landscapes of China during the late Jurassic, its long neck reaching high into the treetops to feast on foliage that few others could access. This unique anatomical feature not only enabled it to survive, but also revealed much about the environmental adaptations key to its survival. Parallel to Mamenchisaurus, another magnificent giant emerged in the form of Ruyangosaurus from the Cretaceous of Hainan province. This dinosaur is believed to have rivaled the monstrous giants of South America in sheer size, an extraordinary feat that underscores Asia's prehistoric richness. Picture a massive creature, its immense body moving through a landscape filled with thick vegetation, roaming in herds as it sought out the abundant plant life of its time. The scale and grandeur of Ruyangosaurus challenged not just our understanding of size limits among dinosaurs, but also our perceptions of the ecosystems they inhabited. The wonders of Asia's sauropods did not stop merely at size. They also showcased a fascinating array of unique skeletal structures, each adapted to its specific environment and dietary needs. These evolutionary marvels represent millions of years of natural selection, where each small change contributed to the survival of the species. Envision a landscape bustling with life, where these adaptations allowed the sauropods not only to thrive, but to interact with their ecosystems in profound ways. The shapes of their bones offer fresh insights, revealing how factors such as climate, geography, and available food resources shaped their evolution and behavior. Such adaptations reflect a complex interplay between organism and environment, painting a vivid picture of ancient life across the continent. As researchers delve into the fossilized remains of these titans, the story of Asia's ancient giants unfolds, highlighting the continent's vital role in the narrative of dinosaur evolution. These sauropods remain a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptation present in prehistoric times, reminding us that the giants of Asia were not just massive in size, but were intricately linked to the ecosystems they dominated, offering unique lessons that continue to shape our understanding of the natural world today. In the majestic landscapes of Patagonia, a world where giants ruled and colossal herbivores roamed, an unyielding struggle for survival unfolded. Among these titans, a formidable group of predators lurked, each one fueled by instinct and survival. The lush vegetation provided a verdant backdrop, where towering sauropods grazed peacefully, unaware of the lurking danger that stalked them. The ground trembled under their weight as they moved slowly but purposefully, a sight both serene and awe-inspiring. Yet amidst these gentle giants, the stealthy Mapusaurus stirred. A relative of the fearsome Giganotosaurus, this predator was not just a solitary hunter, but potentially part of a pack. Together they strategized, their movements synchronized like a well-rehearsed dance of death. As they prowled the underbrush, keen eyes and sharp senses detected the slightest rustle or tremor, anticipating the moment of attack. This predatory concert was a demonstration of nature's relentless pursuit of balance, ensuring that the circle of life continued. The tension mounted as the giants grazed, surrounded by lush greenery, a perfect combination for an ambush. Mapusaurus stalked its target with patience and precision. Every muscle in its body was attuned to capture the slightest opportunity, the thrill of the hunt mingling with the thrill of impending danger. Those young or weak sauropods were the most vulnerable, giving rise to a never-ending game of cat and mouse, where the stakes were as high as the towering peaks that guarded the land. However, these encounters were not merely a celebration of ruthless predation. They were brutal tales of survival, sacrifice, and resilience. Nature, in its wisdom, favored equilibrium, even in a realm filled with titans. As the Mapusaurus launched its attack, the drama unfolded, a clash of might and instinct where tactics were tested and raw power wrestled with agility. The ground became a theater of life, where even the fiercest hunters could either emerge victorious or stumble to defeat amidst the chaos of the hunt. How did these colossal creatures towering above the landscape manage to thrive in their environment? The sheer size of sauropods fascinates and baffles many, leading to inquiries about their biological functions. The answer can be found in the remarkable evolutionary adaptations these magnificent beasts developed over millions of years, enabling them to rule the prehistoric Earth. Their skeletal structure reveals the brilliance of evolutionary engineering. Sauropods boasted hollow bones, a feature that significantly reduced their weight without compromising strength. This innovative design allowed them to reach impressive heights, as their structure could support the massive frames they developed. Additionally, they were equipped with enormous air sacs connected to their lungs, an adaptation that resembles the respiratory systems of modern birds. This unique feature not only contributed to efficient breathing, but also played a crucial role in their ability to maintain a stable body temperature despite their immense size. The physiological challenges presented by their massive bodies were met with ingenious solutions. For example, their hearts evolved to be exceptionally powerful, capable of pumping blood upward through their long necks with remarkable efficiency. This hydraulic determination ensured that all vital organs received the oxygen and nutrients needed for survival, especially during periods of activity. Alongside their powerful circulatory systems, sauropods boasted digestive systems adapted for processing tough, fibrous plants. Their digestive tracts fermented these plant materials slowly, extracting the necessary nutrients to sustain their gigantic forms, demonstrating the seamless harmony between size and function. Furthermore, their reproductive strategies reflected a deep-rooted understanding of survival. Laying eggs similar to modern birds provided a reproductive edge, enabling sauropods to produce numerous offspring. The rapid growth rates of juvenile sauropods meant they could reach maturity quickly, minimizing the window of vulnerability during which they could fall prey to predators lurking in their environments. This growth strategy was a calculated move, ensuring the continuation of their lineage against the backdrop of preternatural landscapes. The evolution of sauropods was not a mere happenstance of nature. It was a tale of adaptation and survival. Their massive size was a testament to a beautifully engineered design sculpted by millions of years of natural selection, allows them to dominate their environment. Understanding these giants not only enriches our knowledge of prehistoric life, but also opens the door to appreciating the intricacies of life's evolution on our planet. Beneath the Earth's surface, a world of untold stories lies hidden, waiting to be unearthed. Every excavation brings forth the remnants of ancient behemoths that once roamed the land, their bones carrying whispers of the past. These relics serve as a bridge to a time long gone, allowing us to piece together the gigantic tapestry of evolution. Each fossil tells a tale of survival, adaptation, and unimaginable grandeur. In the age of technology, the art of paleontology has transformed dramatically. With CT scanning, researchers delve deep into the mineralized structures of bones, revealing intricate details that were once obscured. Advanced AI models predict the locations of fossils, enhancing the efficiency of digs and preserving precious time and resources. As the ground is meticulously probed, layers of history await discovery, where every bone unearthed adds another brushstroke to our understanding of dinosaurs and other prehistoric giants. The integration of satellite imaging has revolutionized exploration, allowing scientists to visualize landscapes in unprecedented ways. This method enhances our grasp of the terrain where these magnificent creatures once thrived, helping pinpoint fossil-rich locations. Imagine standing before a towering skeleton in a museum, a vital link to a creature whose footsteps resonated millions of years ago, sparking curiosity and awe. With each find, we not only resurrect these majestic beings in our minds, but also inspire future generations to explore the Earth's hidden past and safeguard its legacy. They vanished 66 million years ago, but they still tower in our minds. The giants of the past remind us of a world ruled not by kings or machines, but by nature's most extraordinary designs. As long as we keep searching, their stories will never be lost.